We are building our dream sauna here. As you can see, we have come a long way in the build. We have a roof and we have started on the walls and have got up the wind protection and everything. Everything is straight and level and Good morning.
Good morning. Honey, shouldn't we get a sauna?
So apparently I'm building a sauna. Well, it's a good thing I'm from Finland. We have it in our blood somehow to always have a sauna. So might as well build one. We went online to find something, but anything would like cost so much money. The biggest mistake was trying to go super cheap. We found someone giving away this little cabin on Facebook Market for free, but it ended up being mostly a waste of time, as we couldn't really salvage much of the material. We did get some beams and a metal roof from it, but not much more than that. So we sat down and drew our own design of our perfect sauna and started to build one from scratch. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you want to see the rest of the build, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you liked the video. If you have any questions, please do write a comment.